We have an ocean inside of us, and I believe that when we are connected to something, when we care about something, then we take care of it.
Feel the rivers that flow through you. They pulse with each beat of your heart. Gently sway with your own rhythm and taste the ocean that seeps into your mouth.
I'm a multimedia eco-artist, and so my ultimate hope is that I create work that might attempt to connect people a little deeper with their environments and with each other. So this is a multimedia installation that uses footage that I'm projecting and video mapping onto curved screens so that the viewer gets to have different experiences as they interact with the piece or move around the room. When they're in the center is where they hear this spotlight speaker, and here it's an open letter to the ocean.
Let your mind travel from the water inside you to the water that surrounds you, in others, in the river.
There's a declaration of love, there's an apology, there's a meditation, and a farewell. Having this opportunity to do this and realize this just really helps me think about how I want to continue with sound and nonlinear storytelling. This piece is the most complex piece that I've done so far, and Locust Projects allowing me to experiment. It's really solidified that this is how I want to move forward. I think about what the viewer will experience while in the piece, and then I think about what they might walk away with. And while they're in the piece, my hope is that it's somewhat meditative, that there's maybe getting lost in the beauty of the visuals or the sound, that maybe there's an emotional connection with the water element that's inside of us. And then how can they carry that with them?
Float up to the water in the sky collected by the clouds. Soar higher to the frozen water molecules in space. Return to the rivers that flow through you. They pulse with each beat of your heart. Gently sway to your own rhythm and taste the ocean that seeps into your mouth.
That notion of water being fluid and flowing through us and flowing around us, I think is ultimately where we'll find hope and comfort.